Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to convert your Shopify store to a WordPress website using WooCommerce. Whether you are switching to save on monthly fees, need more customization, or want better control, this video has you covered. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about why you might want to convert your Shopify site to WordPress. So, Shopify is easier to set up, but can be costly with monthly fees and app charges. On the other hand, WordPress plus WooCommerce is open source, highly customizable, and more budget friendly in the long run. If you are ready to have a more control over your store and cut recurring costs, this transition could be a game changer. Here's what you will need for the migration. A domain name can be the same one from Shopify. Web hosting like SiteGround, Bluehost, or Hostinger. WordPress installed, WooCommerce plugin, access to your Shopify dashboard. I will walk you through each step now. First of all, log into your Shopify admin. Head over to shopify.com, then enter your email, then click Start Free Trial. Now follow the process. Click Skip for now. Then enter your password and click Login. Now click Skip. I will decide later. Now head over to Product section and click on Export from your Products tab from the left sidebar of the screen. Click Products. From Products tab, choose All Products, then click Export and export as CSV for Excel numbers or other spreadsheet program. Then click Export Products. Repeat this for customers and orders if needed. For full data export, including media, consider using the Lite extension or card to card service. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Search for wordpress.com and log into your account. Once you are in, click on Plugins tab. In the search bar, search for WooCommerce. Install and activate WooCommerce from here. Run the setup wizard to configure your store basics, location, currency, payment methods. This setup only takes a few minutes and gets your store ready to receive the imported data. To import your Shopify products into WooCommerce, go to Product section, then click Import, upload your Shopify CSV file, map the fields correctly like title, description, price, SKU, etc. For a more automated process, use tools like Lit extension or cart to cart. They handle everything including orders and customer information. Now that your products are in, it's time to make your site look amazing. Choose a WooCommerce compatible theme. Go to Appearance from the left sidebar. You can choose 2024 theme from here, or you can use Astra, Storefront, or Occasion WP. Use a page builder like Elementor for drag and drop design. Click on it, then click Customize Site. Set up menus, home page, and product pages. Use WooCommerce blocks plugin for modern layouts. Let's quickly configure payments and shipping. Go to WooCommerce tab from your dashboard and go to Settings from here. Then click Payments. Enable PayPal or Stripe or your preferred gateway. Set shipping zones, methods, and rate under WooCommerce settings, then shipping. To avoid losing your SEO rankings, set up 301 redirects from old Shopify URLs to new WordPress URLs. Use the redirection plugin or create.htaccess rules. Install Yoast SEO or Rank Math to optimize your new store SEO. Just click on Plugins tab, search for Yoast SEO. Here it is, or Rank Math. Here it is. So, why choose WordPress over Shopify? Simple, freedom, and flexibility. With WordPress and WooCommerce, you get full control over your website, no monthly fees, no app locks ins. You can customize every single detail from design to functionality using themes, plugins, or custom code. It's also SEO friendly, scalable, and gives you ownership of your data. Whether you are a beginner or a developer, WordPress grows with you. Plus, with WooCommerce, you still get powerful e commerce features without the high recurring costs. So, that's it. You have successfully migrated your Shopify store to WordPress with WooCommerce. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, I would love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.